If you're running a multi-location business, you're likely looking for a reliable accounting software that can keep your operations smooth and efficient across different sites. So, is QuickBooks or OneUp the better choice for you? Well, we're going to break it down, comparing both, and at the end, I'll share a better alternative you might want to check out. Let's dive right in. First thing to note, both QuickBooks and OneUp offer strong accounting features, but the key difference lies in how they cater to multi-location businesses. QuickBooks is widely recognized for its flexibility and scalability, especially with its online version. It's perfect for businesses of all sizes, and its integration options are fantastic. But when it comes to managing multiple locations, QuickBooks can get complicated and sometimes overwhelming. You'll need to customize it quite a bit to handle location-based tracking, and even then, there might be some manual adjustments needed to get the reporting right. Next thing to consider is ease of use. OneUp, on the other hand, is designed to be more intuitive and user-friendly right out of the box. It allows you to track inventory and manage sales across different locations more seamlessly. However, OneUp does have some limitations in terms of integrations with other business tools, which might be a deal breaker if you rely heavily on third-party software to run your business. The third thing to look at is inventory management. If you're managing multiple locations, both QuickBooks and OneUp offer inventory features, but OneUp has a clearer edge here. It's built with multi-location inventory tracking in mind, allowing you to see stock levels across different stores in real time. QuickBooks does offer inventory tracking, but it's more limited unless you opt for the more expensive versions, and even then, it can feel like it's not quite as seamless. Fourth thing, reporting. QuickBooks excels here. The depth of reporting in QuickBooks is impressive, especially if you're handling a larger operation. You can customize reports for individual locations, which is great, but again, the complexity can sometimes make it difficult to get a clear snapshot without spending a lot of time setting up filters and categories. OneUp has simpler reporting, which some users might appreciate, but it lacks the depth that QuickBooks offers. The fifth point to bring up is pricing. QuickBooks is more expensive upfront, but offers more robust features as you scale your business. OneUp's pricing is lower and could be more affordable for smaller multi-location businesses, but if you need all the bells and whistles, you might quickly find yourself needing to upgrade or add on extra features, which could increase the total cost. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about customer support. Both companies offer good support, but QuickBooks shines with its extensive help documentation and large user community. OneUp support is solid, but it's not as extensive, which might be frustrating if you encounter issues that require more detailed help. So, which is better for your multi-location business? Both QuickBooks and OneUp have their merits, but based on everything we've discussed, QuickBooks stands out for its versatility and scalability, especially if you can invest the time in learning the system. However, if you're looking for something more affordable and easy to use with basic multi-location functionality, OneUp might be the better choice. That said, after trying both, I believe there's a better option out there that might suit your needs even better. If you're looking for an alternative to QuickBooks and OneUp that delivers what you need for a multi-location business without the complications, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.